There's another one on there. Look at that. There's a woodpecker on top of the treated pole. And there's another one right... Where is he? Where in the hell did he go? I saw... There's 3 woodpeckers. They're banging on... There's one up on top of the treated telephone pole. Look at that. 2 pileated woodpeckers on a treated telephone pole here in Salt Spring Island. Look at that. There's 2 of them at the top of that pole. Those suckers are going to get electrocuted. Those are pretty high voltage wires up there. That's a pretty high voltage wire, that one right there, I'm sure. It's going to be fried woody. Another one just took off, the smart one. He left the dumb one behind. Barbecued woodpecker.